The CHEBIO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner impresses with its powerful 500-watt motor, delivering an exceptional 45,000 pascal suction power, making it ideal for tackling stubborn dirt and pet hair on carpets and hard floors. With up to 60 minutes of runtime in eco mode, this vacuum provides ample time for thorough cleaning around the home, and its dual-mode operation offers flexibility for both quick and intensive cleaning tasks. The innovative V-shaped anti-tangle roller brush and LED lights make maneuvering around furniture and illuminating dark corners effortless, ensuring a comprehensive clean with minimal hassle. A sleek, high-definition LED display keeps you informed of the battery level, suction mode, and operating status, allowing for easy monitoring and adjustments during use. The high-efficiency filtration system captures 99.99% of dust particles, and the removable battery offers convenient charging options, enhancing the vacuum's adaptability to different home environments. CHEBIO provides excellent customer support with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 assistance, ensuring a worry-free experience for users of their cordless vacuum cleaner.